Welcome. Hello guys, welcome to Ashutosh Coaching Center. Now today we are going to start. The chapter name is Biotechnology Principle and Processes. होता क्या है? The technology of using living organisms or enzymes from the organism to produce product and the process useful to humans, and many processes like in vitro fertilization leading to test tube baby and synthesizing gene and using it developing a DNA vaccine or correcting a defective gene also a part of biotechnology. The European Federation of Biotechnology (EFB) has given a definition of biotechnology that comprises both traditional and the modern molecular and the biotechnology. The define is also as follow: the integration of natural science and organism cell parts of and thereof and molecular analogous or for the product and the services. Principle of biotechnology, the modern होता क्या है ना प्रिंसिपल ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी होता क्या है. द मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी इज बेस्ड ऑन द टू टाइप ऑफ मेन प्रिंसिपल. फर्स्ट जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड सेकंड block process engineering. Genetic engineering is defined as the direct manipulation of genome and DNA and RNA of an organism. It involves the transfer of new genes to improve the function or trait into the host and organism and thus change the phenotypic of the host organism. Bioprocess engineering, maintenance of a sterile condition in chemical engineering process to enable and growth of desired microbes for the manufacture of the biotechnology products like antibiotic vaccine and enzymes etc. अब जानेंगे हम लोग the three basic steps in the genetically modified organism. First है identification of DNA desirable genes. Second, introduction of identified DNA into the host. Third, maintenance of introduced DNA in the host and the transfer of DNA to its progeny. Now अब हम पढ़ेंगे tools of recombinants and DNA technology. First, restriction enzyme. Second, polymerase. Third, ligase. Fourth, vector. And fifth, host organism. Restriction enzymes, molecular scissor. इसके बारे में जानेंगे. मॉलिक्यूलर सीजर होता क्या, चलो देखते हैं. रिस्ट्रिक्शन इंजाइम्स बिलोंग्स टू अ लार्जर क्लास ऑफ इंजाइम्स कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियस. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ, मतलब जो रिस्ट्रिक्शन इंजाइम्स जो होते हैं लार्जर क्लास के इंजाइम्स उसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, न्यूक्लियस कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं, न्यूक्लियस, और कुछ नहीं. ओके. अब न्यूक्लियस देयर आर टू काइंड्स. there are of two kinds, exonucleus and second endonucleus. Exonucleus क्या होता है देख लेंगे. Exonucleus moves nucleotide from the ends of the end, whereas endonucleus makes cut at the specific position within DNA. The example, the first restriction endonucleus and hind second, and always cut the DNA molecules at a present as a particular point by the reconditioning and a specific sequence of 6 base pair. This specific base sequence is known as the recombination sequence for the Hindi second. Each restriction endonucleus recognizes a specific palindromic nucleotide and the sequence in the DNA. Palindromes are the group of letters that from the same words when read both forwards and backward. For example, madam. 5 dash Gatic 3 dash and the C tag 5 dash, मतलब just उसका opposite है. And the palindrome in DNA in a sequence of the base pair of that the read same in two stands when orientation of the reading is kept the same. इसका भी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. जितना भी डायग्राम है वो काफ़ी एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके. डायग्राम बहुत जरूरी होता है इसलिए मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा हूँ. The restriction enzymes cut the strand's DNA a little away from the center, and the palindrome site between the same two bases on the opposite strand having sticky strand and stickiness of strand facilitate the action of enzyme and the DNA ligase. The restriction endonuclease are used in the genetic engineering or to form recombination molecules of DNA which are composed of DNA from the different sources of genome. When cut the same restriction enzymes, the resultant DNA fragment have the same kind of the sticky end and can be joined together using DNA ligase. अब जानेंगे सेपरेशन एंड आइसोलेशन ऑफ डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट होता क्या है. So the fragment of DNA is obtained by the cutting DNA and using restriction enzymes and separated by the technique and called gel electrophoresis. ओके मतलब होता क्या है, फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए पता नहीं है, डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट में किसी डीएनए को कट करके रिस्ट्रिक्शन इंजाइम्स के थ्रू सेपरेट करने के टेक्निक को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस यानी जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस. नेगेटिवली charged DNA fragment can be separated by the forcing to the move towards anode under an electronic and through the medium. DNA fragments separate according to their size, sieving effect provided by the agarose gel, and the separated DNA fragment can be visualized after straining the DNA and with ethodium bromide and the followed by the exposure to UV light, and separate the band of DNA are separated from the agarose and gel and the extracted from the gel and called इल्यूशन. ओके इल्यूशन क्या है, किसी भी बैंड ऑफ डीएनए को सेपरेट करना क्या कहलाता है, इल्यूशन. द डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट पेडिफाइड दिस वे इज़ यूज टू द रिकॉम्बिनेशन. अब जानते हैं क्लोनिंग वेक्टर क्या होता है. प्लाज्मिड एंड बैक्टीरिया फेज इज द यूज इज commonly used vector for the cloning, and they have ability to replicate and within the bacterial cell with independent of control and the chromosomal DNA bacterial phases because of the high number of per cell and have a very high copy number of their genome within the bacteria cell. The following features are required to facilitate cloning into vector. The origin of replication, ORI, the sequence from where replication starts, and any piece of DNA when linked to the sequence and can be made replicate and within the host cell, and this sequence is responsible for the controlling the copy number of linked DNA. सेकेंड है हमारा सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर. क्या होता है, सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर help in the identify and the eliminating transformate and the selectively permit the growth of transformants, and the transformation is a procedure of through the which a piece of DNA is introduced in a host bacterium, and generally gene encoding resistant to antibiotics such as ampicillium and chloramphenicol and the tetracycline and or canacine, camamycin, etc. are considered as unselectable markers for E. coli. क्लोनिंग साइट क्या होता है, ओके cloning site to the link of foreign DNA and the vector need to have single recognition site for the commonly used to restriction enzymes, as presence of more than one recognition sites within vector will generate the several fragment and which will complicate the gene cloning. The ligation of foreign DNA and is carried out a restriction site present in one day of the two antibiotic resistance gene. इसका भी फोटो ले ले, काफ़ी एग्जाम पॉइंट से काम आएगा. ई कोलाई क्लोनिंग वेक्टर PBR 332 showing restriction site and Hindi second and Hindi third or E core first and BAMH first and SA cell first and the PVU second and PST first and CLA first and ORI and antibiotic resistance genes and AMPR and TETR rope codes for the protein involved in the replication of the plasmid. D number vector for the cloning genes in the plants and animal. Retrovirus have been disarmed and are now used to the deliver desired genes into the cell, and so the once a gene or a DNA fragment has been ligated into a suitable vector and it is transferred into a bacterial plant or animal's host and where it multiple. कॉम्पिटेंट होस्ट क्या होता है, और फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विथ रिकॉम्बिनेशन डीएनए देखते हैं. फर्स्ट कह रहा है सिंपल केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट विथ डाईवैलेंट कैल्शियम एंड आयंस increases the efficiency of the host cell through the cell wall pores and take up the rDNA plasmids. Second, rDNA can also be transformed into the cell by the imbuing both on ice and followed by the placing them briefly at 442 degrees Celsius heat shock and then putting them back on ice. This enable the bacteria take up the recombinant DNA. Third, microinjection method. The rDNA is directly injected to the nucleus of the cell and by the using glass micropipette. And the biologistic and the gun method. It has been developed to introduce rDNA into mainly plant cell using the gene and a particle. In this method, microscopic particles of gold tungsten are coated with DNA and of interest bombard and into cell. Fifth number, the last method used to disarmed pathogen vector and the agrobacterium and the tumofacinium with when alloyed to the infect the cell, transfer the recombinant DNA into the host. Process of recombination DNA technology. Recombination DNA technology involves the several steps in the specific sequence. First, isolation of DNA, fragmentation of a desired DNA fragment, and the isolation of a desired DNA fragment, ligation of the DNA fragment into the vector, transforming the recombinant DNA into the host, culturing the host cell in a medium at a large scale, extraction of the desired product. अब हमारा आइसोलेशन ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल होता क्या है, तो देखते हैं। जेनेटिक material is isolated from the macromolecules by using enzymes such as lysozyme and bacteria, cellulose, plant cell, chitin, fungus, DNA that separated out can be removed by the spoiling, and the RNA can be removed by the treatment ribonuclease, and with various protein can be removed by the treatment protease. ओके, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको भी खींच लीजिए। And cutting of DNA at a specific location. The cutting of DNA at a specific location is performed by the using restriction enzymes at and agarose gate electrophoresis and to check the for progressive of a restriction enzyme digestion. After cutting the source of DNA as well as the vector DNA and with a specific restriction enzymes to cut out gene of interest and from the source of DNA. Amplification of gene of interest using PCR polymer chain restriction. ये होता क्या है देखो, to get multiple copy of DNA और gene interested vitro by the set of polymerase and enzymes polymerase, पता नहीं है फिर से क्या बोल रहा है तो देखो, एम्पलीफिकेशन ऑफ जीन्स इंटरेस्टिंग पीसीआर होता क्या है, इसका फुल फॉर्म होता है पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन। इसमें क्या होता है, टू गेट मल्टीपल कॉपी मतलब डीएनए का मल्टीपल कॉपी या इंटरेस्ट ऑफ जीन इन विट्रो में बाय यूजिंग सेट ऑफ प्राइमर्स और एंजाइम्स डीएनए, किसी डीएनए प्राइमर्स को का सेट तैयार करके उसमें ये मतलब ये कहते ठीक है ना। ये ग्राफ को नोट कर लो, ये ग्राफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, और ये लाइंस बस ध्यान रखना है इसको। पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन पीसीआर, each cycle has 3 steps. Now that is denaturation, primer annealing, extension of primer. होता क्या है, this repeated by amplification is done by the use of thermostable DNA and the polymerase isolation from bacterium Thermus aquaticus and which remains active during the high temperature introduce the denaturation of double stranded DNA. उसके बाद हमारा इनर्शन ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए इनटू द होस्ट सेल एंड द ऑर्गेनिज्म। ये होता क्या है, इंक्लूडिंग मेकिंग द रिसिप्ट सेल कॉम देखो कहते नहीं है कॉम्टिमेंट सॉरी competent to receive the take up DNA present in its surrounding etc. The recombination DNA bearing the gene for resistance to an antibiotic and is transferred into E. coli cell and the host cell become transferred into the ampicillium resistant cell. उसके बाद हमारा obtaining the foreign genes product। ये होता क्या है, the foreign DNA multiple in plants and or animals cell to produce desirable proteins and expresses of foreign genes in the cell host involved. Okay, host cell involved optimize condition to obtain recombinant protein and the recombinant cell is multiplied in a continuous culture system in which used a medium drained out of one from one side while fresh medium is added from other side to maintain the cell in their physiological active phase, and a bioreactor provides the optional condition for the achieving desired product and by the providing optimum growth condition, temperature, pH and substrate, salt, vitamin and so on. इसका भी फोटो ले ही लीजिए. Okay. Now figure A, simple stirred tank bioreactor. B, staggered stirred bank reactor through which sterile air bubble are staggered. लास्ट हमारा डाउनस्ट्रीम प्रोसेस क्या होता है. डाउनस्ट्रीम प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व्स द प्रोसेस दैट मेक्स द प्रोसेस and obtained ready to for the marketing. Okay, and the process including separation and the purification as downstream process, and suitable preservation are added to it and sent for the clinical trials and in case drugs and before releasing marketing public case. So guys, this chapter has finished and you are a part of journey of NEET. So please like, subscribe and more share. Bye bye, see you in next video.